morning. Today it is rain. Just leaving Freeway 105, connecting to 605 South. And you can see the visibility is messed up. So we want us to drive defensively and carefully. Take care, my brothers and sisters out there. If you are going to work this morning, please take care. Check on the road. Check on your speed. And make sure that everything is okay. Otherwise, be blessed. But we are also thankful because God has given us this rain after some time, and so humanity and in fact the whole creation in this part of the world feels good because the rain that we have been praying for has come. Whatever politics you have, it is raining. Whatever happiness you're planning for, it's raining. To those who are sick, we pray for you. Those who are incarcerated, pray for you. To our immigrant friends, those who are facing challenges during this time, we pray for you. Okay, have a good day. Have a good day. And God bless. Thank you. Okay, bye.